Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update macOS when storage is almost full. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Mac and click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. Select About this Mac from the drop-down menu. Once the new window opens, click on the Storage tab. Take a moment to review how your storage is being utilized. Ensure that there is enough free space for a macOS update. If storage is low, close the window and move to the next step. Open Finder and navigate to your Applications folder. From here, locate and open the Utilities folder. Double-click on Terminal to open it. Type in the command sudo do sh * and hit Enter. This command will display the size of each folder on your Mac. Identify large folders that may be consuming excessive space. Next, go back to Finder and remove any unnecessary files from these folders. This can include downloads, old applications, or duplicate files. After clearing space, return to the Apple menu. Click System Preferences. Select Software Update. Your Mac will check for any available updates. If an update is available, click the Update Now button. Follow the prompts to download and install the update. Ensure your Mac remains plugged into a power source during the update. Once the installation is complete, your Mac will restart. After rebooting, check that your macOS has been successfully updated. If you encounter any errors, consult Apple's support resources for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.